Guys, this is with and this is without. Wow.
This is the O2O2 in-one cushion foundation and setting powder. I love the packaging and yung idea na pinagsama nila ang cushion and setting powder sa isang compact. So ano pang inaantay? Let's try it now.
O2O is doing it again. Sabi nila, grabe yung coverage nito guys. So try natin. Ang dami kong dark spots ngayon. Dito natin makikita. And, Bogs. Girl, grabe yung coverage talaga. Tingnan natin kung mako-cover niya itong mga dark spots ko. Ooh. Now, this is the coverage I need. This is the cushion we need. Mas nagustuhan ko yung formula nito kaysa dun sa unang cushion nila. Guys, this is with and this is without. Katulad kita na madaming dark spot, then this cushion is for you. Right now, it looks radiant finish, diba? Glowy pa siya. Now, tignan natin yung kasama sa powder na compact. If ever may added